how to create a new app in Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new application on Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 and then sign in to your account. Now at the middle of your screen, you can go ahead and enter your command. So you need to go ahead and create a prompt where you enter your detailed description of your app's purpose and features. You can also add styling instructions, such as minimalist layout or neo-brutalist design. And then click on that generate button, and then Base44 will start generating that app for you. So as you can see at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the progress of your app. So this takes about 5 minutes and you'll see real-time updates as the app is assembled. So at the left side, you'll find the process that the app is going through for your app to be assembled. So on the right side, you'll find the progress with the app. So as you can see at the left side, you'll be able to find all of the accomplished steps as done. And then once this actually ready, they will notify you. So once the app is generated, you can actually modify the UI elements further, add or remove features, connect to databases or APIs, set up authentication and user rules. So it is very important for you to enter a specific command of how you want your app to look like. So you need to choose the category for your app before you describe how you want it to look like. Base44 offers pre-written prompts tailored to each category, but mine is personally created by me. So it is important for you to be specific on how you want your app to look like to make sure that the design of your application aligns with the aesthetic that you're going for. Now, as you can see, since this is already done generating, you'll be able to find the product at the right side of your screen. So this is how it looks like. So as you can see, I also have the tabs on my application. I can also view this application into browser view and mobile view, into dashboard and overview. You can also share this application and view the code of this application. Be able to export the code into your local IDE application. So once you're satisfied with this, you can go ahead and publish it by clicking on the publish button at the top right of your screen. So you need to use the built-in preview to test your app. Once you click on that publish app button, you will be able to publish this app on TeamFlow. So in here, you need to go ahead and sign in to TeamFlow. So you can go ahead and create an account with your Google if you don't have a TeamFlow account yet to automatically sign into your account. So as you can see, we're able to find the domain of this application under the publish section. So once you paste that into a new tab, you'll need to sign into your TeamFlow account to be able to access it. So as you can see, public access is only possible if you log into your TeamFlow account. So let's sign in to our TeamFlow account, and then once signed in, you'll be able to find your application live. And that is how you can basically create a new app in Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.